Hi, I'm Melody, and that's my mom Joanne and my sister Emily. If you missed our last video, we flew to Costa Rica where we went on an incredible nature walk with a wildlife expert and got to see our very first sloth. We also explored the stunning Costa Rican rainforest on beautiful hikes where we even spotted some amazing wildlife on our own. Today the adventure continues. Join us as we discover even more of Costa Rica's breathtaking scenery, incredible animals, and unforgettable experiences. Good morning from day number 3, and it's going to be the rainiest day that we're here. We just lost power at our hotel, so you can just imagine how strong the winds are and how bad the weather is. We still are going to do stuff outside regardless of the rain because it will rain every single day. Our plan is to go to the Mystico Hanging Bridges Park and see more nature, hopefully see more wildlife. It's kind of hard because the wildlife doesn't like to come out too much in the rain. At this point, power's out, so let's go outside. So before we go to the Mystico Hanging Bridges Park, we stopped for some coffee and we found this really cute cafe called Slothy Coffee, and it's super adorable. And the back end of the cafe has like a rainforest in the back. It's super cute and it's half outside, half inside, and everything is locally sourced, handmade. We ordered, and Emily, what did you order?
Cappuccino.
With a croffle?
A coffin?
A croffin.
It has dulce de leche.
And then my mom had an almond croissant, and I ordered a Danish, but it's just the most cutest cafe. This giant bird just entered the cafe casually. It must do this all the time. We just got to the Hanging Bridges Park and we're seeing our first animals right now. Oh my god! Oh my god, I just spotted another group of those like anteaters. It seems like they come out often in the rain to forage for food because they're always digging in the grass. But I'm going to show you, there's a huge pack in front of me right now. So this is the bird we saw at the cafe. It's called a curassaw. And the black one is the female, and the other one is the male. And usually, like, the males are the pretty ones with the pretty feathers, but I find the female is prettier in this scenario. This is the map of where we're staying. This is the town La Fortuna, where you find like all the restaurants and cafes and grocery stores. And then right now we're up here. Where are we? Right up here, Mystical Park, and then all the way across the other side of the lake. This is El Castillo, and this is our hotel right here, Hotel Linda Vista. We stopped for lunch after the hike at a place called Soda Monkey's Place, and a soda in Costa Rica is a place where you can find traditional Costa Rican food at a really affordable price. Salud! So this is a common drink in Costa Rica. It's essentially a lemonade with mint in it called yerba buena, but it's just mint, and they just put it in a blender and blend it all together. Oh my God, we just got our food. Look how amazing it looks. So this is beef. We have sweet plantains, black beans, some rice, vegetables, and a nice salad. And then on the table, we have a spicy sauce that's homemade that you can add to your food. We thought it was salad dressing, but the server warned us it's very spicy. While we were out, we went to a Costa Rican grocery store, not the ones that tourists go to. We went to the ones that actual Costa Rican locals go to. It's called Maxi Pali. And I'm just gonna show you a haul of all the things that we got just because we're just trying to save a few extra dollars to eat in for once in a while. So I'm gonna show you what we got.
Ramen. We got these pouch.
Like tropical fruit flavoring packets for water, and it's like no sugar, so we wanted to try that.
Some mixed nuts.
Almonds.
Little cake with dulce de leche. Wraps with cheese and some ham. Yogurt. For me, lactose free.
Yeah, we like that.
Little lactose free milk. cilantro,
For our ramen.
lettuce for wraps.
Yes. Grapes. These are Costa Rican grapes, so they're like massive. Avocado.
And other market we had yuca chips.
Those are so good. If you haven't tried these, try them. They're amazing.
Chicharrón.
Bought local coffee. This one's called Naranjo. And we asked the local like which one's the best one, and this is one of the best ones. We forgot a few things. We actually got some chocolate as well.
This with little nuts, chocolate covered, some maracuya chocolate, so passion fruit chocolate, and cappuccino chocolate.
Yum. Good morning. It's another beautiful day in Costa Rica, and it's ziplining day. The visibility is way better than yesterday. It was super foggy yesterday. We couldn't even see the lake, and now we're just going to do a volcano check. So volcano is definitely still partially covered, but way better than yesterday. We couldn't even see it yesterday. The forecast is supposed to be really good today, only 20% chance of raining, so we're going to have a lot of sun, which is perfect for ziplining. And then tomorrow the weather will be even better for when we check out this area's major waterfall. It was such a beautiful day that we decided to eat breakfast with a view.
That was a stop.
It was a good round? How did you like it? Amazing. Oh my god. This is the most uncovered the volcano has been this week. Oh my gosh, it's breathtaking. We're almost at the top. So beautiful. So So we're back in our hotel room and we did a little bit of shopping. So I'm going to show you guys what we got. My sister got this beautiful t-shirt. It says Sky Adventures on the front. And then Arenal volcano in the back. Super pretty. And that's the volcano behind me right over there. I got this beautiful like butter yellow t-shirt. Also says Sky Adventures on the front, which is where we did the zip lining. And on the back, a sloth, a jaguar. So animals native to Costa Rica. And then it says Costa Rica on the back. My mom got this like navy blue t-shirt with a sloth drawing on the front. Nothing on the back. For my dad, I got him this license plate that says Costa Rica, pura vida, which is the common saying here in Costa Rica, which just means pure life. And it has a little sloth right in the middle and the Costa Rican flag. He has a collection of license plates, so that's why I got it for him. And the last thing, my sister got a beautiful ceramic mug with Costa Rica pura vida on it and a little sloth. Super cute. So I'm gonna go swimming now and I'll see you guys tomorrow for the waterfall. Morning from our last day in Costa Rica, last full day. We leave tomorrow, and the last activity we have scheduled is going to the La Fortuna waterfall. We are here at the base where you pay for admission, and then I don't know if there's a hike going to the waterfall, but apparently it's really beautiful. So I'm excited to finish off the trip on a very strong note. And as you can see, so much sunshine, and it's actually super warm today, so it's a perfect day for it. And praying for just no rain today. And we got to see it up close too this time.
It's the first time we see it so close.
I'm outside right now enjoying the views that we had all week, and I'm gonna never take this view for granted. Just soaking it all in. I've never seen a place so beautiful, and the nature is just stunning. And it was such a nice break from the Canadian winter. I love Costa Rica. I love the people. They're so nice here. The food is amazing. The nature is endless, and it's so healthy and rich and lush. I highly recommend you visit Costa Rica. Put it on your list. You won't regret it. In the end, we didn't get to see the volcano top, unfortunately, but we got a few pictures of it where it was mostly visible, but the top was still covered by clouds. But we'll take it because in Canada, we don't have volcanoes. So I will take every volcano picture I can take. And just one last look at the view from the top of the hotel room. Just stunning. I can't wait to come back. Like, I will come back. So I'm going to say goodbye here and just take the night off and take it easy and spend it with my family and enjoy our last night here in La Fortuna, Costa Rica. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.